big news, customer-focused events, and much more. Plus, we are giving you the chance to win £250 as we launch our field service report. It can only mean one thing. Hello and welcome to November's Big Community Newsletter. You won't want to miss a second, so let's dive right in. On the 25th of October, BigChange was acquired by Simpro Group. This acquisition combined BigChange's strength in mobile-first technology, real-time data insights, and seamless back-office integration with Simpro Group's position in key market verticals such as facilities management, building maintenance, plant hire, and fire and security services. Gary Specter, CEO of Simpro Group, said, "Our acquisition of BigChange is an exciting opportunity to bring together the best of both companies." Adding, "Together we will deliver even greater value to our customers, ensuring they receive the best solutions for their needs and evolving businesses." I had the pleasure of sitting down with Gary last month to film a special episode of our Field Service Stories podcast. Click on the link below to watch and subscribe. On the 5th and 6th of November, we held another fantastic customer success workshop right here at BigChange HQ in Leeds. Our BigChange experts gave attendees personal attention and made sure they got the most out of their system. Sadly, it was our final one of the year. However, we plan to make 2025 even bigger and better. So keep an eye out on our socials or email louise.stone at bigchange.com to be added to our waiting list. This month's customer spotlight is on Mardon Group. By using the BigChange system, they automated many of their existing processes and workflows, supporting their growth journey, achieving ISO accreditations, and improving efficiencies. Click on the link below to read in full. November was a very busy month for the Field Service Stories podcast. We have not one, but 2 episodes for you to watch on our YouTube channel, or listen to by subscribing to us on our podcast app of choice. Firstly, Alex talks absolute rubbish with Charles Scully, Managing Director of Cornwall Waste Care. He uncovered how Charles grew his business from the ground up to now serving over 2,000 clients. Next, I sat down with Gary Specter, CEO of Simpro Group. Gary has led some of the most respected software companies globally, including SAP, NetSuite, IBM, and Adobe. We talked about cultural differences, growing businesses in uncertain times, resilience, retaining top talent, motivation, and his vision for field service software and how AI is impacting it. I also uncovered the best decision he never made and what the acquisition of BigChange means for our customers, Simpro Group, and the field service industry as a whole. Business owners, leaders in the field service industry, and anyone who loves hearing about how cutting-edge technology transforms businesses will not want to miss a moment of this conversation. As a reminder, link to subscribe and watch both episodes are below. Did you know that 41% of back-office users we've surveyed are missing out on AI and automation efficiencies in their back-office operations? Well, we have launched the UK's most comprehensive field service industry survey, and we need your insights. Click on the link below or scan the QR code on screen to take part in the 2-minute survey. By doing so, you will not only get exclusive access to the report when it's published, but you will also be in with a chance to win a £250 Amazon voucher. It's a double win. Just because we're giving you a chance to win £250 by taking part in our field service report does not mean you can't take part in this month's competition. The winner chosen at random for last month's question, how many people have attended our customer success workshops to date, was Matilda from DSSL, with the correct answer of 210. Congratulations to you. For your chance to win this month, the question is as follows. Now that BigChange is part of Simpro Group, collectively, how many users are on our platform? Is it A, 100,000, B, 200,000, C, 300,000, or D, 400,000? To enter, scan the QR code on screen or click on the links below. Winners will be chosen at random from correct answers. And that's a wrap for this month's Big Community Newsletter. Remember to hit the subscribe and bell buttons below to be notified when new content goes live. And if you like this video, why not give us a thumbs up or leave us a comment? Until next month, continue to be unstoppable.